is the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It also offers a leather interior, but Katie, our leather expert's going to tell us what really is leather on this interior.
All
Well,
right.
this looks like it's got more leather than the Ranger. Is
Without
this
a
leather?
doubt. This is. And so this is after a few years of use, but this is important for everyone to see, is that this wrinkling, this is a normal part of a natural material. This is all real leather. It's making that natural wrinkling like your skin. Once you start working up towards, headrest is fake, but this whole part outside of like the Ranger, this was all fake. This vehicle, it's all real. If we look in the back seat, we'll start to see where they mix and match. In the back portions, you're gonna see again with your thumb test, even these pieces.
That doesn't even look leather.
Yeah, but this part actually is real.
Really?
You can tell here, yep, with the natural wrinkling. You start moving in, still real. This, all fake. Do you see no wrinkles? So it's interesting, each vehicle is different, but it's important that when they say leather appointed, leather trimmed, leatherette, they're mixing and matching real with fake.
Cutting costs and you pay the price.
And fake is plastic, remember that.